Hi friends, this is Sabya, and in this particular video, I'm going to talk about campaign management feature. So in our CRM system, we have campaign management module through which you can run simple campaigns. For an example, in your CRM system, you have 1000 contacts or 1000 leads. So you can create different kind of groups using these contacts. Example, you can create a group of people who are interested to go to US or UK or Australia or Canada, or you can create a group of people who are interested to get work visa or maybe immigration or maybe study visa. So once you create a group, for that particular group you can run campaign. You can do email campaign, you can do WhatsApp campaign or SMS campaign as per your requirements, right? So with very few clicks you can run this kind of campaign from our CRM system, and you can generate good amount of qualified lead for your business. But other than that, you may be running other kind of campaign on different social media. Example, you might run campaign on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. So you can connect those campaign directly with our CRM system, so that whenever there is a new lead you are generating through this campaign, those leads will be entered in the CRM system automatically. This will ensure that 100% leads are available in your CRM system. Using our campaign management module, you can keep a track of different ROI you are getting from different kind of campaign. For an example, you are investing X amount of money for campaign A and X amount of money for campaign B. Our system can tell you which campaign is giving you better return, so that next time when you are investing money you can take a proper decision where you need to invest this money. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can run email campaign or WhatsApp campaign from our CRM system. So for that you need to go to either on your contact database, or you need to go to your lead database, right? So when you go to your contact database, you can run campaign on your all contacts, or you can create different filters or different group, and on that particular group you can run your campaign. For an example, you can run campaign on the leads you have received today or maybe yesterday, or maybe all the leads you have received this month or last month. Similarly, you can run your campaign for those contacts who are willing to migrate to USA or maybe UK. Okay, similarly you can run campaign on different parameters. For an example, people who are looking for business visa or study visa, or maybe some immigration process, you want to run campaign for them. So what do? You select any one of that. For an example, let me select country USA. I want to run campaign for them, right? So now once you select the campaign, all the contacts will be available here. You can select all the contacts, and here you have option, either you can do email campaign, you can do WhatsApp campaign, or you can do SMS campaign from here. Let me start with email campaign. So I'll click on send list email. Okay, once you do that, my next option is whatever campaign I want to run, I can type my email template over here and I can send that. If you don't want to do it, what you can do, you can go ahead and select your email template. Here you will be able to see all the email templates you have recently used. If you don't find your required template here, you can click on insert a template, and once you do that, next step will be selecting the right folder. So in our CRM system, you can create n number of email folder. Now under each of these folder you can have again n number of email templates. So let me go to country USA. So when I go to country USA, I can see there are 4 templates available. I can select any one of these templates. So immediately that particular template is coming here. There is a subject, there is a body of that email template, and there is an attachment also, and all the people are available here. So then what you do next, you click send and you can run your campaign right now, or you click here, you can send later, and you can schedule the campaign. For an example, you want to schedule it for Thursday, that's 4th August, and what time you want to send this, you can select the time. Example, at 9 o'clock in the morning you want to run this campaign, and you can save it, and immediately this campaign will be scheduled, and 4th August 9 a.m. this campaign will run as per your request. So this is how you can run your email campaign. Now I'm going to show you how to run WhatsApp campaign from your CRM system. So for that, again, you have to go to your contact database and you need to select one list on which you want to run the campaign. Okay, for an example, I'm selecting the list that is new today. That means all the leads I have received today, I want to run one campaign, or I want to send WhatsApp to all these number. Okay, so for that I will select all of them together, and then here I have option to send WhatsApp. So I'll click on that button. After that, next process is I need to select the template over here, right? So I can select any of the template. You can very easily create your own template also. If you don't want to create email template, WhatsApp template, you can type the body here as per your choice and you can send them. For this particular demo, I will select one template over here. So for that template, let me select this particular template. You can see the body of the WhatsApp, and then I have to click send, and SMS will be, WhatsApp will be delivered to all the contacts that I have selected. Exactly the same way we can run SMS campaign also. Thank you.